Volcanism. A volcano is the vent through which the molten rock, material, and associated gas passed upward the Earth's surface. In other words, it is a site where molten rocks, magma, have been erupted at the surface of the Earth. The volcano becomes active. The volcano becomes the when the volcano becomes active, the moment gases start to come out of the vent, some vent only releases gases. Volcanism produces a conical or dome-shaped mountain called volcanic mountain. For volcanism, the formation of magma below the surface of the earth is most. The magma may be produced by geothermal gradient, that is increase of temperature with depth, accumulation of radioactively generated heat. The magma ascends through fissures, joints, cracks and ejected through an opening. The ejected material or lava cools and consolidates. The ejected material or lava cools and consolidates. The repeated process of eruption and consolidation forms a conical structure over a period of time. The conical structure and accumulated huge mass is known as volcanic mountain. You can see here a figure of volcanic eruption. Volcanic products. The complex and variable products of volcanoes include solids, liquid, and gas. Generally, the gases and molten liquid are mixed together when they leave the vent and separate in the atmosphere. In some cases, the gases are mixed with solids. The key process of volcanic activity is the separation and escape of gases from their associated liquids and solids. Solid product. They consist of fragments of rocks or pieces of already cooled lava. The rock fragments ejected during volcanic eruption are called pyroclast or tephra. Pyroclastic materials are classified according to their size and shapes as follows. Volcanic blocks. Fragments with diameter greater than 32 mm and angular in shape are called volcanic blocks. Volcanic bombs. Fragments with diameter greater than 32 mm and shape is rounded or spindle are called volcanic bombs. So volcanic bombs are fragments of volcanic bombs are fragments of lava ejected in a liquid or plastic state. As they move through the air, they twist and turn and form spindle-shaped masses. Lapilli or cinders. The solid fragments with diameter ranging from 4 mm to 32 mm and of various shapes are called lapilli or cinders. S. Solid particle size varying from 0.25 to 0.25 to 4 mm is termed as volcanic dust. Volcanic products having size less than 0.25 mm, very fine particle of lava which mixes in air during volcanic activity are called volcanic dust. Pyroclastic material accumulated on the slopes get compacted and cemented, giving rise to rocks called volcanic tuff. These tuff when consist of angular fragments as then known as volcanic breccia. Liquid product. Liquid product of a volcano is the molten rock, material or lava. According to the composition and gas content, the temperature of lava during the eruption usually ranges between 700 degrees Celsius to 1200 degrees Celsius. Depending on the silica, SiO2, lava is divided into three types: acidic, medium lava, basic lava. Acidic lava. It contains high, that is 60% of silica and also called felsic. Medium lava is medium lava containing 50 to 60% of silica. Basic lava, lava containing 50% or less silica, also called mafic. Basic lava is less viscous than acidic lava and can flow freely. Gaseous product. Water vapor constitutes about 60 to 90% of total volcanic gases. Second gases is CO2 and other are HCl, H2S, SO2, H2 and 2. Phosphorus, boric acid, arsenic, power, argon, etc. Virtually all the gases of the Earth's atmosphere and all the water of the Earth's ocean are thought to have been released by igneous activity. The release of these gases provides the driving force to expel the liquid and solid volcanic products. Although gases compose only 1 to 2% of the total weight of erupting magma, they expand into bubbles as the pressure decreases near the Earth's surface. Steam from volcano can come out from two sources: from water locked up within the lattices of some minerals in the Earth's mantle, juvenile water, new water; from groundwater, water held within the underground pores of sediments and sedimentary rocks which the rising magma vaporizes as it approaches the Earth's surface. Types of volcano. Volcanoes can be classified based on following: continuity of eruption, nature of erosion, mode of eruption. So, continuity of eruption. On the basis of continuity of eruption, volcanoes can be active, dormant, or extinct. So, active volcano. Those volcanoes which erupt continuously or intermittently. Dormant volcano. Those volcanoes which has not erupted for a long time but are expected to be active anytime are called dormant volcanoes. Extinct volcano. Those volcanoes which has stopped the eruption over a long time are called extinct volcano. Nature of erosion. On this basis, volcanoes are classified as quiet type, intermediate type, and violent type. Quiet type. Lava erupts quietly without any explosion. Is known as quiet type. In this case, lava is basaltic, which is very fluid and holds little gas. Intermediate type. Erupts with noise in the beginning and gradually slow down. Violent type. The volcanoes erupt violently, that is noisily, is known as violent type volcano. The lava in such case is acidic in nature. Mode of eruption. On the basis of mode of eruption, volcanoes are classified as central type and fissure type. Central type. This volcanoes is represented by a ball-like depression called a crater, and fissure type volcano is represented by lava flow through fissure without forming single crater. Geographical distribution of volcanoes. Volcanoes are not distributed evenly in the world. Volcanic activity is strictly confined to certain sections of the globe, mostly found in the marginal parts of the continents within the boundaries of young tectonic mobile mountain ranges, but the Himalayan has no volcanoes. During the last 400 years, about 500 volcanoes are known to have erupted. Volcanoes are found in nearly all parts of the world, both on land and on the seafloor. More than 3 by 4 of the world's subaerial volcanoes are distributed around the margins of Pacific plates in a pattern called Ring of the Fire. Almost all the volcanoes in the world are within a couple of 100 kilometers of the sea. There are remarkably few active volcanoes in the center of the continents. Circum-Pacific Belt or Ring of Fire is an important volcanic belt. More than 60% of active volcanoes are in this area. Another belt runs NS through the Atlantic belt, that is along the mid-oceanic ridges. It includes the Azores, Iceland, St. Helens, etc. Volcanic landforms. Volcanoes produce distinctive landform through extrusion of lava. The common landforms created by volcanism is a volcano or a conical hill. The positive relief features include the volcanic hill, cones, mountains, lava, plateaus, etc. Whereas the negative relief features are depressed landforms like caldera, craters, volcanic depressions, etc. Volcanic plain or plateaus. Flat sheets of extrusive igneous rock are called volcanic plains or volcanic plateaus. These features are formed from extremely fluid mafic lavas or from mixtures of particles dispersed in volcanic gases that were highly mobile and float with a great speed as if they were liquid. Volcanic silt volcanoes. Repeated quiet eruptions of highly fluid mafic lava from the circular vent or from a rift zone may create a broad, gently sloping conical mound of volcanic rock. They are called volcanic shields. Examples are from Iceland, but largest examples are the Hawaii, Hawaiian island and other mid Pacific island. So this was for today. Thank you.